Hi everybody, this is Thereturnable. Okay, today I'm going to make a shortcut video. I'm going to show you what I buy on Walmart. And I'll let you guys, I'm not a sponsor. They don't pay me to do that. So I'm going to show you what I buy for $24 and something. $24 guys on Walmart. Yeah, this one. This one right there, you can make a small meal for yourself. And that one is good for 2 meals. If you're making a Dewey Collet, it's good. And then you can make the sauce on this one, sauce on this one, and Dewey Collet on that one. That's really good. And that one is good for 4 or 5 cups. I can say 3 cups is good. But I expect to have a bigger plate, bigger container than that, because I love to do lasagna. So I expect to have a bigger one. But that's okay. So you can find those 3 for $24 and something on Walmart. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, okay? $24 and some change for those 3 pieces. Thank you. Bye-bye.